Diamond patterns can be created easily in Photoshop. Go to the rectangle tool, top left and pixels, and select a colour. And then create a stripe, a thin line or wide line. I've created a few already. Then go to Libraries, down to the bottom and the plus. Click Extract from Image. And you can see the design straight away. Now you can reposition that and you can see the preview of the pattern design. You can scale it, but you can also go to the third option and that will create a diamond design. So third option, and you can see your diamond design there. And again, you can reposition that and then click Save, and that will save it to your Libraries panel. You can reposition it again and again, click Save and scale and click Save. Sadly, there's no colour feature to change those colours inside there, but you can use adjustments and modify the colour. And close. And there you have your diamond design. Click it and then you'll see a pattern fill layer.